In today's video, we will see how to see who viewed your WhatsApp profile picture. Check WhatsApp DP viewer. So, how to see who viewed your WhatsApp profile picture is WhatsApp does not provide any features to show who viewed your profile picture. You will not receive a notification or visitor list when someone opens your photo or profile. WhatsApp officially confirmed this. Avoid third party profile viewer apps because they cannot access an official visitor list and may collect your contact personal information or login details. See who viewed your WhatsApp status instead. Open the WhatsApp, go to settings, then click on privacy. After that, click on profile photo. Choose who can see your profile picture. Everyone, my contacts, my contact except nobody. WhatsApp does not show you who viewed the picture. Goodbye and thanks for watching.